Clickbank marketing for beginners. Hey, welcome to my video. It's Charles Alexander. In this video, I'm going to show you Clickbank marketing for beginners, how to make money on Clickbank for free. That's right. I'm going to issue and show you a system that you can use for free to promote these Clickbank offers and generate Clickbank commission. So stay tuned, watch this whole video, and you will get all the details as you look around this video. Click the subscribe button, like button, or you'll check out the details around this video. So stay tuned and watch this full video. Welcome to my video. It's Travis Alexander. In this video, I'm going to show you another way how to get website traffic with visitors, real visitors, leads, and commissions. So stay tuned, watch this full video, and make sure you do comment and subscribe to this channel so you'll be notified every time I upload another new video that's going to help you all the way. Hey, glad to here watching this video for this tutorial training step-by-step series. This is going to be a series, so to get all these training free videos, tutorials step-by-step, all you gotta do is make sure you like and subscribe to this channel, and you'll be notified on my next tutorial on Clickbank. So I'm going to try to run down this as simple as I can to show you where you can start if you were starting from the beginning. Okay, so very simple. You just want to go to clickbank.com. So write down this information. It's the website. It'll take you to main Clickbank site, and you can see you can sell and grow your sales in the Clickbank affiliate marketplace. So if you have products already, you can actually put it on this place and have tons of affiliate marketers in this community promote your products. Okay, and you can generate tons of traffic. Okay, so also you can shop on this site and see kind of products you want that you would like to try and buy. You can also do that. Alright, another way to make money with the Clickbank is to promote. You can find top performance products to promote them. Okay, so you can learn how to make money online with the course performance marketing training inside the Clickbank. Okay, so what we have for you is simple step-by-step of the blueprint. I wrote out a summary of the blueprint. What you need to do is you need to sign up for a Clickbank. Okay, so when you get to this place, you click on the drop down menu and you just want to sign up. Click on this blue button. Now if you're on a laptop, it will look different. Or you're on a cell phone, it will look like this. Or so if you're on a cell phone, you come down here, and you can also go to desktop site, and it will load up a little different. Okay, so here you come to this page. You can watch this video, do the review of Clickbank. Then you want to create an account. As you can see, it's 100% free to join and start generating commissions promoting other people's products. Okay, so stay tuned for this video and just watch the whole video to get all the details. You're just gonna put in your country right here. You have tons of country listed here, like international, worldwide, that can apply for this. Okay, so you go down and you find your country. Alright, since I'm in the United States, I put my country there. Put your first and last name, your phone number, email address, and the password you're going to use. Okay, so follow these steps. It must be a lowercase, uppercase, numbers, special characters, and a password can exceed 32 characters. Your password can have spaces. Then you continue to the other steps. Okay, so it's very simple to create a Clickbank account. You can see it's free, so you're just going to follow along those steps to create a Clickbank account. Okay, so it's very simple how you're going to get started making money with Clickbank. And the very first step is to sign up and register for a Clickbank account. Okay, so once you have your Clickbank account, you're going to get a confirmation in the email. Okay, so you want to confirm your account, and then you want to actually log in to your Clickbank account. Okay, so you're going to go to sign in, and you click on sign in, Okay, so this is what ClickBank dashboard looks like. So you can see this is like a brand new account just starting, and we're going to be setting up these funnels to pump traffic to sell different ClickBank products. So you're going to see the whole process going through, and we're going to constantly update you how the campaign is working. Okay, so we had simple step-by-step training in here, and around this video you can check out the links to get my marketing system that I use to promote any affiliate programs, offers, set up sales funnels for ClickBank offers or any other affiliate networks. So basically, as you can see, weekly sales snapshot. Alright, so you go down here and there's going to be your sales coming in. There's going to be your transactions down here. Alright, and then you have your reporting tab. If you click on reporting tab, you can check out your reports of your commission stats. Okay, so you can see that we was working on this to see can we get some traffic. So all these offers, we still got some traffic in here, around 122 visitors. Alright, so we're working on a new campaign and decided to show you some little step by step. Okay, so you got account settings, you got vendor settings if you're going to be a vendor. But right away we're going to click on marketplace, and this is where you're going to find the products to promote. Okay, so you come down here, you can search, you can find a product whatever you want, or you come in the categories. Okay, they have arts, entertainment, ads, scenes on TV, betting products, business investing products, computer and internet, cooking and food. Alright, e-business and marketing is what our niche is. Education, employment and jobs, you can also do that. Fiction, games, green products, health and fitness, homes, language, mobile, parenting. Okay, whole list software, they got softwares. Okay, we have sports and travel products. So a whole range of products in here. And if you just go here on the find products section, you can just click on search and it's going to bring up a whole list automatically. Okay, and it's going to bring up the popular ones on here right around. As you see, different products in fitness. Alright, in the books section, more in diabetes, a diet. Alright, Ted Wilkin is always there. Those are popular offers. You can go and click on promote, and they give you affiliate links to promote. Okay, so you can also come here and check on rebilling. Rebilling means monthly subscription that you earn commissions. Okay, so you just click down there and you can see monthly commissions you could be collecting on these products. Okay, so there's another tab here I want to show you of Gravity. You can check which one is progress. Alright, which ones most affiliates are promoting right now, and you can see that they must generate some commissions from the efforts of the traffic they're coming from. Okay, so another hot offer here with the 12-minute affiliate system. Alright, so if you want to check out there, you can check around this video and you can check out all about the 12-minute affiliate system. Okay, just showing you what they have available and these quick sections. Also, if you go here and you search by average sale, you can bring up high ticket and big ticket commission offers. Okay, so you can see the prices went up very high, and these are the kind of commissions that you could be making promoting these different offers from ClickBank. Okay, so stay tuned with the video. I'm gonna give you a free system. Alright, free system that you can use to plug in these affiliate links into the system and drive real traffic to your ClickBank affiliate links or any other affiliate links as you wish. Okay, so different offers here. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna pick out the offer, and what was next is our step, and our instructions is to set up a sales funnel. Okay, so you just come here and you pick out offer that you want to promote. So I'm going to go to the e-business, e-marketing section, and stay tuned to the whole series, and then I'm going to show you how to set up a sales funnel. Okay, we'll show you how to set up a done-for-you sales funnel using our powerful Power Lead system. Okay, I was able to get these funnels up and running, and now all I had to do is give you the step-by-step instructions to show you how to plug it into your own Power Lead system back office. Okay, but for beginners, you're just starting off and you want to start promoting these to the office for free, because as you see, ClickBank could be for free, sign up for free. You're gonna grab and promote a affiliate link, and you're gonna use our free system to promote these offers and generate big ticket commissions. Okay, so you can see these offers are very high that you can generate big. So this one right here, the super affiliate system, converting very well, and we have a sales funnel that I can show you. So make sure you do subscribe to this channel, and you're gonna find out more information during this series of making money with ClickBank for beginners. So more funnels we can set up in our done for you system, that the page is already to go. You can do make a little edits, customize it to. Okay, so like I said, with our big full version, our sales funnel creator, lead capture page creator, we can create, customize these funnels to anywhere I want. So stay tuned, more training. But what I did is went to e-business and e-marketing. I click on Gravity for the highest converting offer, and we're gonna go with this first one right here, as you see. Alright, so we have different offers here that we can choose on this list, and as you see, we got different offers. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and click on promote, and you're gonna grab your affiliate link for that ClickBank offer. Okay, so this would be for any offer. So I'm gonna give you a free system to show you where we're gonna plug in our ClickBank link. Now, if you want to get our paid version, we do have a $7 version. You pay $7 one time, and you can plug that affiliate link in there also and generate commissions with the done for you system. Generate $6 commissions, or with our full version, you can generate $6 up to $1,526 in commissions. So it all depends which one you want to use our system to promote your ClickBank offers. Okay, so you're going to grab your affiliate link here, and I'm going to show you where to plug your affiliate link. So you're going to copy it, save it on a text document, and in my next video I'm going to show you where we're going to advertise our link in our free system. Okay, and then in our future video I'm going to show you how to plug it in our paid system to generate you more commissions. So thank you for watching this video, and then I see you in my next training tutorial videos of making money with ClickBank for beginners. Okay, check you on the next video. I want to thank you for watching my videos. Travis Alexander. Make sure you do head to my channel, like and subscribe, and you will be notified every time I update a helpful tip video that's going to get you further, generating more traffic, leads, and commissions on YouTube. So go ahead, do that now, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.